Hello everyone. This video is about computer fundamentals. Let's see what is computer. The word computer comes from the word to compute. That means to calculate. A computer is normally considered to be a calculation device which can perform the arithmetic operations very speedily. The computer may be defined as a device which operates upon the data. The data can be in the form of numbers, letters, symbols, size, etc. And it comes in various shapes and sizes depending upon the type of computer application. The computer can store data, process data, and retrieve data. The fact that the computer processes data is so fundamental that many people have started calling us data processor. The computer first gets the data and then processes on it and then produces the information. Next, the definition of computer. A computer is an electronic device which takes input from the user, processes it, and gives the output as per the user's requirement. So, the main task of computer input, process, and output. Next, the classification of computer by data process. The computers are divided mainly into two types based on the data processed: analog computers, digital computers. It is also classified into four types based on the data processing: mini computer, microcomputer, mainframe computer. Let's see what is microcomputer. Microcomputers are the computers with microprocessor chip as the central processing unit. It originated in the late 1970s. First, the microcomputer was built with 8-bit processor, so it is personal computer. The microcomputer is also known as the personal computer. It is designed to use by the individual, whether in the form of PCs, workstation, or notebook computers, and it is in small size and affordable for general purpose. Next, the mini computer. Mini computers are originated in 1960s. It is also known as small mainframes that can perform limited tasks. It is less expensive than mainframe computer. It is capable of supporting 10 to 100 users simultaneously. In 1970s, it contains 8-bit or 12-bit processor. The mini computers are invented which are known as super mini computers. Example IBM AES-400. Next, the mainframe computer. It is a very powerful computer which capable of supporting thousands of users simultaneously. It contains powerful data processing system. It is capable to run multiple operating systems, and it is also capable to process 100 million instructions per second. The mainframes are very large and expensive computers with having larger internal storage capacity and high processing speed. The mainframes are used in the organization that need to process large number of transactions online and require a computer system having massive storage and processing capabilities. Mainly it is used to handle bulk of data and information processing. Mainframe system is housed in a central location with a several user terminal connected to it. Much bigger in size and needs a large rooms with closely humidity and temperature. Next, the computer components. The components are input device, processing, output device, and storage. Input device. Input device enables the user to send data, information, or control signals to a computer. The central processing unit of a computer receives the input and processes it to produce the output. Some of the popular input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, light pen. digitizer, microphone, touchscreen, webcam. Output devices. The output device displays the result of the processing of raw data that is entered in the computer through an input device. There are a number of output devices that display output in different ways, such as text, images, hard copies, and audio or video. Some of the popular output devices are monitor, printer, projector. Next, Central Processing Unit (CPU). A central processing unit is also called as a processor, central processor, or microprocessor. It carries out all the important functions of a computer. It receives the instructions from both the hardware and the active software and produces output accordingly. It stores all important programs like operating systems and application software. CPU also helps input and output devices to communicate with each other. CPU is installed or inserted into a CPU socket located on the motherboard. Furthermore, it is provided with a heat sink to absorb and dissipate heat to keep the CPU cool and functioning smoothly. Generally, a CPU has three components: arithmetic logic unit, control unit, memory or storage unit. Thank you.